As you guys seen, I am a black belt in Kempo Karate. I have done Jiu-Jitsu. Well, I'm going to expand my horizons here. Today, we're going to do a little bit of Judo. I'm a beginner Judo guy, right? So, if any of you guys are out there and see what I can do to correct this, shoot me a comment. Any of you Judo guys, that's what I'm looking for. Help me out. Tell me what I'm doing wrong here. This throw here, I believe, is called the Surikomi Goshi. If I'm wrong on that, let me know. But what I'm going to show you here, this is one that becoming one of my favorite throws that I've learned. Alright, grab a hold of me. So I got the sleeve here, as you guys, Judo guys know that, and grip here, but now I want to come up on here. I grab the sleeve here at the end. I'm going to break that grip off of me, step across like a hip throw, then I come down and throw. Now again, if you guys see anything that can improve this for, that could help me or help those who watch this video, please comment. I need you guys' help here. Alright, so you grab me, we're going at it here. I can grab this sleeve, break that off, come around. The dramatic effect, I kind of lift up and let go. So, good move. Trying to make them float a little bit, so. Your mind is amongst the highest influence for personal success or self-destruction. Be mindful of which thoughts dominate. The thoughts that you let dominate could be the factor of success or failure. Self-destruction, we don't want that. So be mindful on how you think. Change your mind, your perspective, a cognitive switch or a paradigm switch if needed. Philippians 4:8, New American Standard Bible says, "Finally, brethren, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is of good repute, if there is any excellence, and if there's anything worthy of praise, dwell on these things." If you haven't subscribed yet to Better Life 75, what are you waiting for? Hit that little icon on the screen at the end of this video. God bless you.